there in the distance. I see a couple of crows. They're along my route. Let's hope they stick around by the time I get there. There they are. Way up there. Oh, this is kind of a busy street to be leaving food on. Oh, they're turning. I wonder if that little guy's watching me. I'm gonna try and leave a little treat. Well, over here maybe if I get in. Okay, I think he can see me from. See, I definitely see. There he is. See him? Okay, zoom back out. I'm gonna leave a treat on the sidewalk, maybe. Okay, put my camera down. Let's see. A few crumbs down there. There we go. Because it kind of looks like he's watching me. So you can see, oh, see one of them. The other one's kind of behind stuff. Okay. There. Now I can really see them. So they're both there. I left a very small treat. They may or may not get it. That's okay. I tried. This ice. It's thin. Let's see how thin. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. I'm not going to go in the deep end, don't worry. I'm just on the edge. Okay. Random kitty. Hey, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Who are you? Hi. Hi, kitty, kitty. Hi. Hi. I don't know you. Well, you're friendly. Oh, oh. Hi. Oh, you're feisty. Funny kitty. Oh! Look at you go! Oh, you're so cute. I want to watch you all day, but I have to go to work. Okay. Ah! Good thing I have gloves. Got the claws out. Okay, I gotta go. I had fun, kitty. Oh, kicked off of me. Bye-bye. Oh, here's that puddle from earlier. I'm not hopping in it now.